Here's a showcase of the latest Marvel Rivals skins you might have missed. On March 8th, Marvel Rivals is releasing 2 new skins, and this video will be showing off the new Rocket skin and the bundle it comes in. Rocket's new skin, Sunshine Raccoon, is an original skin from the Marvel Rivals comic issue 8. This skin comes in a bundle priced at 2,400 units. It includes the legendary skin, Sunshine Raccoon, a new hero select screen, an MVP animation, an emote, a nameplate, and a spray.
You're ready for action! This is real firepower! These guys are about to shoot at us!
Thanks for watching, and make sure to follow for more Marvel Rivals news, tips, and gameplay.